In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI to Squarespace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace's official website. It's the go-to online platform for creating stunning websites with ease. Squarespace offers a comprehensive suite of tools that make setting up your website both simple and intuitive, perfect even if you don't have a tech-savvy background. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to create one to proceed. Logging in is necessary as it gives you access to the back end of your website where you can make all the necessary customizations. After successfully logging in, you're redirected to the Squarespace dashboard. The dashboard acts as your control center, providing access to all the elements of your website. It includes features for editing your website, viewing visitor analytics, managing your store if you run one, and loads more. From the dashboard, you'll find the website section. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens, allowing you access to your site's content manager, where you can make edits and alter the layout to your preference. Next, locate the edit button. When you select this, you're essentially entering the editing mode of your Squarespace website. This mode lets you sift through your website's pages, allowing you to tweak things just the way you want. Now on your web page, you should see an option to add blocks. Clicking on this will allow you to insert new site elements like text, images, videos, and more. You'll be adding a new code block to embed your ChatGPT 4, so watch out for the code option on the list. Select code, and a blank code editor should appear on your screen. This is where you'll get to input or paste your chatbot's embed code. OpenAI provides this code when you generate a chatbot using their API or some other integration service. Carefully copy and paste the right code to ensure your chatbot functions properly. Once you've pasted the embed code, make sure to save any changes. You can preview it to verify everything is working smoothly. Your chatbot should now be live on your website, ready to interact with your visitors in real time, offering them the information or help they might need. That's it. You've successfully integrated OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 with your Squarespace website. With just a few steps, you can enhance your site's interactivity and provide an engaging user experience. I hope this guide was helpful, and feel free to leave any comments or questions below if you get stuck along the way. Thanks for watching.